Let us solve this problem. We have to prove cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. So if we see this problem, there are no identities. We are not getting any identities to put it straight away. So in the left hand side there are only sin A, cos A like that, and then in the right hand side there is cosecant A and cot A. So we have to see what we can do to match the LHS and the RHS somewhat. So in the RHS we have cot. We know that cot is cos by sine. Cot A is equal to cos A divided by sin A. And we also know that cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. So in both of them we have denominator as sin A, okay, and in the numerator we have cos A 1 like that. So what we can do is we can multiply and divide by sin A, or we can divide by sin A in the numerator and denominator. So let us take the LHS first. LHS equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Multiply by 1 by sin A in numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominator. Or we can also write divide by sin A in numerator and denominator. Okay. So what we will get, cos A by sin A minus sin A divided by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Cos A, I am writing it as cos A by sin A. Sin A, I am writing it as sin A by sin A. And 1, I am writing it as 1 by sin A divided by. Now let's write the denominator. Cos A. Cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now I can simplify further. Cos A by sin A is what? Cot A. So I can write cot A minus sin A by sin A is what? 1 plus 1 by sin A is what? Cosecant A. Cosecant A. Why we are doing like this? We are trying to match it to RHS. Cos A by sin A is what? Cot A plus sin A by sin A is 1 minus cosecant A. Still we are not getting the RHS. Now we have to see what we can do. Now we have to use the identity. Okay. So we know 3 identities, and one of the identity which is matching this is cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. This is the third identity. There are 3 identities and this is the third identity. We need to substitute this identity in this problem. Then we can try to see. But here there is no cot square or cosecant square is not there. But we have 1. So we can substitute, instead of this 1, let us substitute this identity. So let's keep the denominator as it is and let's substitute the one only for the RHS. Okay. So which is equal to LHS. I am trying to write cot A. First I'll put this minus 1 later. I will write the cosecant A first plus cosecant A minus 1. Instead of 1 I will write cosecant square A minus cot square A divided by, I am going to write the denominator as it is, cot A minus cosecant A plus 1, which is equal to, so this is like A square minus B square. So A square minus B square is what? A plus B into A minus B. So I am going to write cot A plus cosecant A minus, I will put a big bracket and then A square. So cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A. A plus B into A minus B divided by, I'm going to write the denominator as it is, cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Now I am going to simplify it further. So cot A plus cosecant A. Here also cot A plus cosecant A. Both are common. So I am going to write the common things separately. So this one I can put it in a bracket, cot A plus cosecant A, which is common. So let me write the common things, cot A plus cosecant A. So this will be 1 minus, and then what is remaining? This is remaining. This one I'm coming from here, cot A plus cosecant A. We have already taken it one outside, so it is 1. This minus is this minus, and then this is like two terms I am multiplying, and this term we have already written it outside. So the remaining term we are going to write. So it will be cosecant A minus cot A divided by cot A plus minus cosecant A plus 1. I am going to simplify it further. Cot A plus cosecant A, I am writing in a bracket, and then this is 1 minus cosecant A, minus into minus is what? This minus and this minus, it will be plus cot A divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Now I can cancel this denominator and this 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A. Here also 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A, which is equal. If I cancel these two terms, the remaining term is cot A plus cosecant A, which is equal to RHS. Hence true. So we have used the identity cosecant square minus cot square A is equal to 1 in this problem, and we have started by dividing the numerator and denominator by sign A so that it will match.